Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be braiding my hair, but first we're going to start with a protein treatment. So if you go back to the beginning of my channel, when I first started my channel, I got my hair straightened. When I got my hair straightened, my hair got destroyed, so I had some heat damage. So I've noticed that my hair has thinned a lot, and this is my first time doing a protein treatment, but I wanted to see if it would do a little something because, like I said, my hair had heat damage and I've lost so much hair, guys. So I'm trying to see if I can repair what has happened. So all I'm doing here is taking a blow dryer and just drying out that APHogee protein treatment. You leave it in your hair, it gets really hard, it's really sticky. Like my whole body was really sticky. However, I found that my hair already felt like shinier, and then I used that moisturizer to detangle my hair and it worked really well. Look how thin my hair is. I wish I had a before picture to show you how much thicker my hair was. So here I am starting my box braids. It's 11:08 and I'm starting my box braids. I was inspired by the CHIC Natural, so I'm gonna actually link her video down below if you want to check it out. But what you do here is you just part it in sections and then you tie the sections up with rubber bands or elastic bands. I used both. Like I said, check out her video if you want to see how she did it. I'm gonna do this whole hair journey. I'm gonna probably take you guys along with me. I don't really do much. This is gonna be my protective style. My first time actually doing this on my own. I've never single braided my own hair. So here you go. We're gonna take one section and then I grab some Main's Choice. I like to moisturize my hair. If I'm putting it in a protective style, I love to keep it moisturized underneath. So that's all I'm doing here, and then I detangle it. Now I'm going to show you guys how I put these braids in. So you take the hair, separate, not fully separate. As you can see, there's one strand and then two strands, which makes for the 3 strands that you need to do a plait, a braid. It's a plait because it's single. So there you have the 3 strands. I just twist it to keep it in place. Go to the root of your head. So you want to go to the root of your hair and then grab that piece and begin braiding. You want to make sure that you are doing this tight. Not tight to where you're pulling out your hair, because then that defeats the purpose of protective styling. But you want to have a good grip and you want to braid it pretty tight. Like as you can see, I'm kind of pulling it tighter and then I just braid it down. It's 12:45 and now we're starting our braiding. At 11 a.m. I started the parting and the sectioning, and now it's 12:45 and here we are braiding. I'm going to show you again, detangling, grabbing the hair. We're going to separate it. There we have the 2 strands. Twist the strands together. That just it kind of just keeps it in place. Twist the strands and you begin to braid at the root of your hair. Tightly. Remember, you want to do it tightly and then just continue braiding from there. That I realized I did or worked best on the ones that I used like an elastic band for, a scrunchie if you want to call it that. For the ones that I used a rubber band, I did not braid it the same way. If you pay close attention, I'm going to show you later on in this video how I found it easier to do it. So this is actually one of them. So I just took the hair in the regular 2 and used my hair as the 3rd strand and began braiding. And then as I'm braiding, I'm grabbing hair from the other strand to give my piece, the piece with my hair, extra hair. So here we go again, just 2 strands. Put it on the root of my head. If you pay attention, 1 strand is my hair, the other 2 is the braiding hair. I begin braiding, and then I grab hair from the other strand. There it is. Take some hair and put it to the section where your natural hair is, so that when you're braiding it down, 1, it blends in, and then you have an equal amount of hair going all the way down. Because if you don't do that, then your hair, the amount of your natural hair, will stop and you'll be left with 2 strands of hair. So you want to borrow or take hair from the braiding hair. There you have it, guys. This was actually very easy. It took me a solid maybe 3 hours. My parts weren't perfect, but like I said, this was my first time, and this is just me protective styling. Remember that at the end, you want to use hot water to set the hair. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just using some hot water, setting it, drying it off, and be careful because the water is really hot. So I try to lift the hair off of me so that I don't burn myself. Then I just added a gold piece here, and that was it. You can do whatever with this. You can style it, leave it out, put it in an updo bun. Many things you can do with your hair like this. I want to apologize really quick because I think I was saying strand, but I actually meant take pieces from the hair when I was showing you how to braid. But yes, I plan on taking you guys along with my hair journey. I don't really do much with my hair, to be honest. I do a lot of braids because that's the way I don't touch and manipulate my hair much. But I'll show you guys the treatments, all that kind of stuff that I'm going to be doing with my hair. Also, if you're watching this video and your hair has been heat damaged in the past and you've been able to repair it, please let me know in the description or the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, this was very, very easy, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys the time shortly. Like I said, I started at 12:45. It's now 3:40. This was really easy, fairly quick. And as you can see, you can do so many styles with it. Remember to subscribe. See you next time.